Okay guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are playing
Airplane Story
Original. Yep, Airplane Story 1 and this is my gaming channel. It's the same channel but it's the gaming version.
Let's just wait until this teleporting one.
Well, watch
This one's teleporting in the one.
I'm making a YouTube video. Wait, look at, watch this, watch this. I'm making, wait till it pops up, wait till it pops up. I'm making a YouTube video. Making a YouTube video. Okay. Okay, this time to
I was in it the last second.
No, they need to know that it's a YouTube video, not just a video.
Alright.
Okay.
This is the one. I'm ahead.
I'm H7.
Everybody was ahead on
What number are you? What number are
I'm
you?
B14.
I'm H7. It's bingo. It's bingo.
No, it's not. I'm B14.
Oh, I think we need to sit in our seats. H7, I need to sit in seat 7.
B14, found it.
Oh,
I can't sit in my chair. Alright, there we go. I'm not next to a window. Dude, I'm not next to a window.
why can't I sit down?
B14.
How do you sit down?
You just gotta stand.
It's not working.
Are you even in the race?
We are currently
It says your
flying.
letter on there.
Oh,
Did you check the letter?
H, no, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Okay, here we go.
Feel free to explore the airplane. Let's explore!
Ooh, look at back here. What's back here?
I'm going back here. First class!
Here, I'm going back here. Come back here.
I'm in first class.
This is where the monster pops out, everyone.
I'm in first class.
Oh, I can.
This isn't where the monster pops out.
I can walk through walls. I can walk through walls. No, please
I'm
find
gonna sit in
your.
the first class here.
Oh wait, we're gonna get expelled if we don't find our seat right away. He said that. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Ah! I died. I'm dying. It's high turbulence.
No, it's because you didn't get in your seat.
I hit the ground because of high turbulence.
Thank you
I'm
for
gonna go to the back.
your comprehension. Good. Cooperation. I think it's cooperation. Get ready as your crew prepares a snack for everyone. Okay, hello everyone. We are the new crew members. We will be delivering delicious sandwiches. Enjoy. Okay, that guy is in the box thing. Sandwich. Oh, I got a sandwich. Kill, you missed it. You died when you died of high turbulence, and now we're all getting sandwiches.
I didn't die of high turbulence. I just lost a lot of health.
You said you died of high turbulence.
I said I got hurt of high turbulence. So now I ate my sandwich. You have invisible sandwiches.
No, my sandwich. I already ate.
What happens if I stand up?
Nothing. Nothing. Someone
Look on the wing. Look on the wing. You gotta look on the wing.
Why?
Look on the wing. This wing. Look on this wing.
Why?
She's gonna die because she got the food poisoning.
Wait, the sandwich has mayo.
She's allergic to mayo.
Okay. Okay, so we need to find
a bandage. Why do you need a bandage?
Storage is above you.
I found it. She found it herself, the person who got sick.
That was a close one. Why did you need a band-aid if you sick?
And that didn't say band.
Oh yeah, it said what did it say? Oh
It
yeah.
said something else. I
Okay.
can't remember.
Good afternoon to all the passengers. I inform you
Where's the
reached
front
the
of the
stable. We've good time to sit back, take a nap, and enjoy the ride.
Someone was walking around the plane.
Sit back and relax and enjoy the ride. That guy probably.
Oh, this is the time when we gotta look on the wing.
Wait, we did it. Why? Good night, passengers. Remember to stretch your legs.
There's gonna be someone on the wing. It might be the other wing. Is everybody over there? We're the ones here.
Okay, we have to stretch for a few hours. Listen to it. I don't know. It appears we've lost energy. Hang on as we try to fix it.
Alright, let's look on the wing. I'll check the other wing. He's on my wing. He's on my side. Whoa.
Guys, look what's on the right wing.
Yes,
Hmm?
He's getting closer.
Why? See a monster?
Go back to your seat. You just gotta stand on a seat if you don't want them. You will not survive.
What those?
Are those snakes? Ah, they're snakes. Keith, get on a seat or else they'll kill you.
I'm standing on a seat.
Okay.
Yes, I'm standing on my seat. Oh. Snake! It looks like snaky. But it's actually snake.
I'm on my seat.
The E, snake ends with the E, so it stands for saying it long. Oh no.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god.
The snakes are not.
Okay, guys, there is an open restroom. Quickly. We'll be safe there.
What?
Okay.
To an open restroom. Where is it, Heath? Are you in there?
Yes, I'm in here.
You're in
Oh, snakes can't come through this door.
They can't?
Yeah. If you run through this, they don't come. Oh, yep, they do. They do. They do.
How did I die?
I died.
They didn't eat me.
I died, guys. That was hard. I'm gonna pause it till we get there. Okay, guys, we made it into the restroom on that part. It was just a restroom with a green light.
Yeah.
We're in here. The snakes
We don't have
cannot
very
get
much
us.
health left. I'm probably gonna die when that heat comes.
That was
Are we
scary.
not?
Yeah. Think
We
so.
should discuss what the heck is happening. Yeah, sure, let's discuss. J13.
I have barely
What's
any
yours?
health.
Oh, she sits in H6.
I sit in B12.
Yep.
I sit in B12.
J13. Let's discuss. On the table.
Okay, I put away my card. I was putting away. Okay, so did our captain die?
Maybe.
Okay, everybody sit in your seats. Power's back up.
Yay! The power's back up.
Sit in your seats.
We're 13.
And the snakes are gone. Thanks, Gail. Thank God. The creature on the wing is also gone.
Yay!
I'm so scared to be back where the monster's gonna come out.
Now look at my health. I'm probably not gonna survive this whole story.
Your attention, passengers. We have good news and bad news. What's the bad news?
Bad news.
The good news is the power is back up. The bad news is the monster killed you. Dun, dun, dun. I think it's gonna be that. The bad news we're losing is scientific of oxygen. Oxygen makes it drop from your seats. Take one quickly. Will.
How do I take it? Okay, I got it.
Will, give me
There's the lights on top. If they come up, they're supposed to come. They're supposed to come from the ceiling. I have mine. It was a yellow. I'm the last. Wait, no. There's 3 people left.
I don't think I saw it.
3 people left. You're the one who didn't get it. You're the one who didn't get it.
Why?
You're the only, because at least someone doesn't get it.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna pause it till I get to the snake part, just in case.
Oh my god.
Okay, guys, this is close enough when the big bad guy comes up. Tails on the boat where the monster comes and the crew is dead. I'm gonna get to that part pretty soon.
Captain might be in trouble. We need to find a key. We need the code.
Okay, so I'm gonna get away.
I know what the code is. It's right over here. 5381.
Okay.
5381.
Okay,
He's
we
just
lost
telling you
energy,
the code is in the back next to the red phone on the wall, and the code is 5381.
Okay.
It's a monster!
Is it the guy with red eyes?
Yeah. It's the creature. What do we do?
You.
You
You're not.
will
Okay, so those. Why are all the snakes under me? I'm the only survivor. I'm the only survivor. I'm the only survivor.
We gotta get to the room.
Which is what? Oh wait, it's all the way back there. Okay, I died.
And get back here.
Well, guys, hope you enjoyed this video.
No.
Make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and comment down below if we should do airplane story number 2 next time. Hey guys, bye. Remember, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and make sure to check out Kale's channel. And make sure you all have an awesome day. Make sure you watch more of our gaming videos. It's going to be so awesome. Bye.